is the X letter, okay? X. So there's a capital X and a lowercase x. It's quite an uncommon letter. It's not the most frequent. You won't see it too often. Okay? The sound X makes is x, 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 x. Okay? X. It's a tricky one to say. It's probably the trickiest sound to say. X. Okay, your tongue is kind of starting at the back of your throat. Okay? X. So let us find some words with this sound then. Okay? One word is with this sound is fox. Ox. Okay? Fox. Ox. Fox. Ox. Fox. The fox is running through the field. Could be a sentence there. Fox. Ox. Fox. Okay? Next one we have is six. X. Six. X. Six. Okay? X. Six. Okay? I have 6 markers. Okay? 6. X. Okay? Another word with 3 letters and 3 sounds here. Okay, so lastly we have another one which is exit. 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 Okay? X. It. Exit. 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 I will exit the building. Could be a sentence there. I will exit. I will leave. Exit. Exit. I'm going to the fire. Exit. Okay, guys. So can anyone see anything? What's the same about all of these words? Okay, what's the same? Okay, I'll tell you what the same. What's the same is that there are no digraphs, no trigraphs, no quadgraphs. We've just got single letter sounds. Okay, we just got red dots for each of these words here. Okay, so let's go through them all again together. Say it with me. X, x, fox, ox, fox. 6, x, 6. And exit, exit, exit. Okay, so watching today, please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.